In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an element to the screen on your Wix website. If you want a button, image, menu, or another element to stay visible while visitors scroll through your page, Wix makes that easy with the Pin to Screen feature. This is especially useful for things like contact buttons, chat icons, or quick access menus that you want people to see at all times. To get started, open your site inside the Wix Editor. Make sure you are on the page where the element already appears, since the pin setting is applied directly to the item you select. Once your editor is open, locate the specific element you want to freeze in place on the screen. Next, right-click that element. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to that item. From that menu, click Pin to Screen. As soon as you select it, Wix will open the positioning controls that let you decide where the element should stay while someone scrolls. Under Set Position, choose a grid location to lock the element to a specific side or corner of the screen. For example, you might place it in the bottom right corner for a floating contact button or along the left side if that works better with your layout. Keep in mind that Wix does not allow you to pin an element to the exact center of the screen, because that would block the main content of the page and make the site harder for visitors to use. After choosing the general location, use the horizontal offset and vertical offset sliders to fine-tune the spacing. These controls help you move the pinned element slightly closer to or farther from the edges of the screen. This is useful if you want the element to feel neatly aligned without sitting too tight against the border. Small adjustments usually make a big difference, so take your time here and preview the result as you go. As a quick tip, make sure the pinned element doesn't cover important text, buttons, or images on smaller screens. The goal is to keep it visible and helpful, not distracting. If needed, adjust the offsets until it feels balanced and easy to interact with. Once everything looks right, your element will remain fixed in that screen position as visitors scroll through the page, helping important actions stay accessible at all times. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.